Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you can just get started by clicking over sign up, and then you write your email address and your password. If you already have an account, you can just log in and you find your account. Also, you can use other option like uploading the application which is called Facebook, then get started with it. So you can just click over marketplace. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter, start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate steps for creating a kitchen listings, setting competitive prices, and maximize your reach from choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics. We will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So here we have the homepage of Marketplace. So we have your browse all, notifications, inbox, buy-in, selling. Then if you want to create your first product, you click over here. And also we have location here, and about niches we have category, we have vehicles, property for rent, classified, clothing. If you want, for example, clothing, you click over here and you will find clothing, and then you select the details about what you want. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces, with tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So right now you have just to create your first product. I will show you how you can do that. So you have just to click over create new listing. We have three choices: items for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, or rent. The first one, we have you create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Second one, sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. The last one, we have list a house or flat or sell or rent. I will click for the first one. So we have your listing preview. As you can view your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. So first of all, we have your limit reached. You are not able to create new listings at the moment. We limit how often sellers can post in an offer, an effort to build a better community for everyone. We have here add photos. I will select the street ones. Then I will click over open. So required to be as descriptive as possible. You write your title, for example, choose basketball. Then we have the price here. Then the category, tools, furniture, household, garden appliance. About entertainment, we have video games, books, films, and music. Then we have clothing and accessories, bags and luggage. We have women's clothing, shoes, men's clothing. So I will click over this one. Then we have condition here. If it is new or used, like new, used and good, used and fair. Then you have here attract more interest by including more details. About this one, we have post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. So of course I will switch on. Then we have hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. So I will not do that. I will just let it like that. We have here the size 42. Then we have the coast style, blazer, trainers. So I will choose sport coat. Then we have fit, classic or modern or skinny. I will click on modern. About brand, I will write Nike. Then description, I will write new basketball shoes for hoopers, Kyrie Irving. This is the type. 8. Then we have a list availability as single item or list as a stock. About the second one, if you are selling more than one item, show who's stock in stock on your listing. So I will write listing because I have 3. I have product tags here, SKU also, and location. I have a meetup preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. For example, public meetup. Meet in a public location, yes. Drop pickup. Buyer picks up at your door drop off, you drop off at buyer store. Then we have also here posts. So I already read that. Then we have marketplace. Items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items and that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on marketplace. See our cameras policies. So as you can see, this is my product, and this is how it works with Facebook Marketplace. So selling on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while ensuring a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially grow a driven side businesses, embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible and you will earn money with them. So Facebook is very helpful for kind of that because it's very popular. We have various people that join Facebook and want to buy something. Also, if we come back here in Marketplace, we have here also notifications, inbox, buy-in. For example, here we have recent activity saved, your alerts, following Marketplace profile. You can just create new listing if you want. Then we have here selling also. About selling, we have your listings, dashboard announcements, insights, Marketplace for profile. So this is our posts. You can just share it with friends. You can post listing also. And we have sort by status and other things. Then we have here a location about niches that you want if you want to buy something. So let's come back. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. And that's it for this video. See you in the next video.